Dracula? Dracula the Vampire King?
Where is my wife?
The bishop took her. Don't hurt them! They don't understand!
Who's she talking to?
Witchcraft, he said.
I believe she's exhorting Satan.
She'll be dead by now.
Pack and go, and do not look back.
You don't know what you're going to bring upon yourself if you harm me.
You threaten me.
I give you 1 year while I give you
1 year! It will take me 1 year to summon an army.
and I'll wipe all human from the land of Origami.
That woman was the only reason on earth
You took that, which I love.
for me to tolerate human life.
Who wants to kill everyone in Wallachia?
We prosecute a good war.
Everyone in the world, all the humans.
There are no innocents! Not anymore! You couldn't stop me before.
I was alone before.
Get out before I slit you up the middle and bite out your heart.